Welcome and what is up there, everybody? In today's video, we'll be explaining exactly how you can buy and sell stocks on Robinhood. Robinhood is a new, well, technically sort of new app compared to most other brokerages like Charles Schwab and TD Ameritrade that has designed their platform towards a more younger audience and allowing anyone practically to start investing in an easy and simple manner. And in today's video, I'll be going over exactly how you guys can buy and sell stocks on Robinhood. So let's say we like the stock Apple and we want to buy some Apple shares. Then what you would simply do is click on the stock, or if you do not have the stock right there, what you would do is go onto AAPL right here and you would type it into the search bar and then click on the stock that you would like. And you could check the charts out on the top part of it. You can check the last year, the last 5 years, the last 3 months, last month, last week, and the last day. And in the bottom right corner, you're going to have the options buy, sell, or trade options. But if you're looking to buy the stock, all you would have to click on is buy, and then the stock that you have right here would be bought on your account. And you can select the amount of shares you would like, 1, 2, 3, 5, 100 shares, whatever amount you'd like. And then if you want to select a market order, which means Robinhood will just buy the stock at the current price point that Apple is at right now, or the certain stock that you're buying, or you can buy it at a limit order. And what a limit order is simply you want to buy the stock at a certain price or below. So let's say Apple right now, the price of Apple is $310.74. Let's say we only want to buy the stock once it goes down to $310. And that's the only price we're willing to buy at. We don't want to buy at any higher price. What you would go ahead and do is click buy, the amount of shares that you want, limit order, and then you would type in the amount that you want to buy the stock at most, the maximum price. So that would be for us $310 flat. Or let's say you want to buy Apple when it dips down even more, $305. Then you just click this green arrow. You would click either market hours or extended hours. Extended hours are a little bit like you get a chance to use a little bit of pre-market hours and a little bit of after-market hours in order to buy your stock before or after the stock market closes. But let's say you just want to buy during the market hours, and you would just click that. And then you would click the check mark button and you would just simply swipe up to confirm your order. That is exactly how you would buy a stock on Robinhood. However, now let's say you own the stock of Apple like I do right here. If you were to want to sell the stock, it would be pretty simple as well. All you would click is trade and then sell. And then you would click the amount of shares, type in the amount of shares you want to sell. Let's say in our case, we want to sell 1 share. And you could do the same thing as before, either sell it at the current market price, or this time if you do a limit order, it means that you want to sell the stock at like a minimum price. Let's say we think Apple's going to hit 315 by the end of next week, so we want to sell it at $315 minimum. So you would just click this button, click extended hours and market hours, and then you could either choose good till canceled or just for the day. So let's say we say good till canceled, meaning this order will be set, and as long as Apple goes over $315 by April 11th, it will buy a share for us. However, if you were to click, let's go back to limit order. If you were to click, let's say we wrote $315. If you were to click market hours only, that'd be only today. And if today the stock doesn't hit $315, it would simply cancel the order and we wouldn't have bought it today by 3 p.m. Monday. That's the button you would click. So you would click the checkmark button and simply swipe up to confirm your order, and that's exactly how you would sell the stock. So as you guys can see, it's a pretty simple process of buying and selling stocks on Robinhood, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, again, I really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd really appreciate it a ton. I hope you guys all have a great day.